Let's make okonomiyaki. Ingredients: if you can find okonomiyaki powder, you don't need umami seasoning, so you can make easier. And we usually use seafood or thin pork rice slice for the topping. First, cut the cabbage. About 1 cup for 1 okonomiyaki. It's good to taste when cut horizontally and vertically. And add salt. And add umami seasoning. I'm using powdered fish. If you can find okonomiyaki powder, I think you can find a fish powder for the topping. Add flour. And if you are allergic to wheat, you can use rice powder instead. Break into an egg. And water and mix well. Adjust flour and water until mix all ingredients come together. If you can get raw seafood, mix together this time. Mix and adjust look like this. Put oil on the pan. Spread to about 1 centimeter thick. If you use sliced pork, put on top of this side and bake with a lid. When one side is browned, turn over. But before turn over, if you use boiled seafood, put on this side. Cover with wrap because not tasty when overcooked. And turn upside down. Baked. And put on okonomiyaki sauce. Mayonnaise. katsuobushi. Katsuobushi is small pieces of sliced dried bonito. Powdered fish is good instead of katsuobushi. And nori, seaweed, or if you can get aonori. Aonori smells very good than seaweed, so try if you like that smell. If you can't get okonomiyaki sauce, try soy sauce instead. Pass the sauce around both sides. Soy sauce has a very strong flavor, so don't use too much. Good combination of soy sauce and butter, and so try it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.